Hi everybody, let's talk about social bookmarking just for a few moments, and I'll be introducing you to Pinterest and how to social bookmark connected to your blog. So here we have the front page of my account. It's my personal account of Pinterest. Of course, it just has all kinds of stuff that I may be looking for in that. If I click on my profile, it'll take me to all the boards that I have created. If I want to create a new board, I just click on the plus sign right there. It'll create a new board, and then I can start pinning stuff to that board. So you will notice that in my blog, I have the four categories of farming, roasting, brewing, and third wave. So I want to create Pinterest boards that connect to those four categories. So come back to Pinterest and you will notice that I have coffee farming, third wave, coffee roasting, and brewing, amongst all the other boards that I have in my personal account. So if you don't have a personal account, if you don't have a Pinterest account, go ahead and start one. It's super easy to go, and then create the categories that align with your blog categories. Let's go to the overview of our blog just really quick so that I can remind you of creating categories. So here we are in our blog overview. You can scroll down and you can see the blog that you've already written. You have not written your second blog yet, but we will get there. If you will come over here and just click on categories, your template should have some categories already listed here. You can rename those according to your categories so that it fits well. If you don't have enough categories, then you have an extra one or two, you can create a new category right there. You can put pictures in there. You can do whatever you need to, but let's just make sure these categories are connected to and are the same categories that you have right here. Now, when I come to my coffee farming board, you can see that I pinned quite a few articles in there that I may want to read, and we'll just look at this one. So the reason why I'm pinning is so that I can save content that I can use and hyperlink to later on when I'm writing another blog post. So here's a very powerful, long, in-depth article about the whole sustainability concept of farming across the world, actually, and it has a lot of good information in it. So I really want to keep that there, and I don't want to have to go find it again, because once I see it, I want to save it. If I see it and don't save it, I may never find that article again, and I really want to keep that so that I can use it. It's going to save me time and energy when I finally do write that post. So this is what I need you to do in this assignment, is to create those boards that align with your categories in your blog. Pin some articles in there, some blog posts in there, and good luck.